Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshat here. Hope you're doing. Ellaru hegidira. Yes, like you already read the title, yet another unboxing. This time it's going to be GoPro Hero Max. Something which I thought for a long time, and I had to save some money because I had some other commitments, like I said. So finally got the product. So I got it from Amazon, so was at a good deal, and I also had a couple of Amazon pay vouchers that I had. So I used all those things and got it at a good deal, right? So of course, the box comes up with a few things. I've just unwrapped it myself and I've just thrown it. So this is gonna come up with a nice GoPro big bag. I've loaded some of the GoPro equipments here, not from the Max, but some other equipments that I've just put it across because I need to have those as well, right? So that's the box, and you also get a USB Type C cable, but not 3.0. It's a 2.0, I guess, because it is white head. So here, that's one you get. And you also get a clip to put up your GoPro, and also you definitely get a mount to stick onto your helmet or wherever you want to stick, right? So these are the two things that you want to get alongside in the box. That's pretty much GoPro gives to you. And then you also have a couple of lens cover, which was there on the camera. So there is two because it's a 360, of course. And then what I've done is I've just removed it and I've put the protection, right? So this is the GoPro itself. So I've just put this protection to make sure that the lens is protected. And also I've got the tempered glass on this. I've just installed it the day I got it because there was a lot of fingerprints that was catching. And then of course I had the 128 GB card, so I've just put it inside here. So that's the thing that I have. But one thing is, I think this is slightly loose. I don't know why, but anyway, it has a replacement, not to worry. And the best part is you also get a bag so that you can put your GoPro inside this and then just lock it up, right? Let me show you. So it's gonna look like this, and the quality of the bag is slightly better, not like some of those normal cover. This is pretty good. And what else? And apart from that, the most important thing is I got Insta360's invisible stick. There was GoPros, but I think that was 5,000 or something. This is 120 centimeters. So this long is this. 4.5, maybe 4 feet is what I reckon. So I did some jugaad, took up the GoPro sticker and stuck it here so that it looks like a GoPro brand. So it doesn't come with a tripod to GoPro mount. So that is something which I bought from Amazon Basics. So this is another thing which needs to be tied in here, and then you have to roll it up. It's going to tie up like this, and then you can actually put your GoPro. So if just remove the nut and then go ahead and grab your GoPro 360. And I'm glad that it has very similar extensions like how you get for Hero 8. So this is something which is there, and I absolutely love this. Yeah. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it up here, and then of course you're going to tie it in this way. So this is how it's going to look like, and it's pretty solid. I want to take some, if you know MaxQuest, who makes some amazing videos like putting the GoPro behind the motorcycle like this, I want to do that. So this is how it's going to look like. I know I've just pulled it too tall, so yeah. This is how it's going to look like. Yeah, you can just press at a one button here. It has power button, it has recording on top. You can also, I'm not sure whether you can do moto vlogging on this because it has a USB extension cord, but I'm doubtful that you should be able to do it. I'm actually not sure. I will figure it out. And this is what I got. It has an extension for charging, right? And we can do that, I guess, but let's see. But videos is going to be next level. That is what I'm guessing. I have no clue how to operate GoPro 360, but I'll put every of my effort to make sure that the video comes up well. So that's all about the GoPro 360, and I have a nice bag to put up all those things. Like I said here, everything I'm just going to put it here, the entire GoPro aspects, and I'm going to just close it up. Yeah. So that's the first aspect, and apart from that, I also got AirPods Pro So this is not a MagSafe, but it's a wireless version. So I'm sure everyone knows about it. If you're interested, you can get this. I got this in Reliance. Reliance has something called as in Reliance Digital. They have something called as Red Day, right? Which is on first or second week of December. They do it for 2 days, and I had like 5% cashback on this, plus some discount because I have a friend who works for Reliance, so I got some good discounts around this. So 23,500 is this, and I got it for some 17.5. I think it's a fair deal, but available only on EMI. So I got it on EMI. That's pretty much, I think, spent more than 50,000. I think 60,000 in the span of less than 20 days, but I've spent a few lakhs for my house interior. That's a different thing altogether, right? So with that, taking the videos to next level is something which I'm trying to do. So hopefully everything comes out well. I'm still not able to figure out how I should be able to fix the Hero GoPro 8, especially when I'm actually putting on the AGV helmet. I tried to test it in the last week, but it was so bad. Hopefully that will recover very soon. And apart from that, I hope you like the previous content about what do I do for a living and what motorcycle is my next motorcycle and everything, right? So if you like that content, please let me know what some other different sort of content I can do. I would be more than happy to do that. So with that, thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video, folks. We'll catch you on another video, another vlog, another content, another travel story. Until then, see you. Bye. Peace.